Well, iba yung parang nag-iba yung atake nila, no? Pero same line of questioning. Parang medyo mas patwitams yung dating nung defense kahapon na may visuals, 'di ba? Makikita naman natin yung adjustment nila doon. Pero again, abi ko yung prep time with the prosecution has always been there, very steady po. Siguro ang medyo, ayoko namang palabasin na yun lang yung na-isolate ko from the entire cross. Pero syempre si Congresswoman Rene Matibag, I understand that there's other strategies may atake po sila na iba, pero you have to understand that she's a congresswoman and she's the chair of the Committee on Women. Strong independent na na public servant. Siguro dun lang sa part na yun medyo tumaas ng konti yung kilay ko na parang may antics sila toward that part na character talaga yung inaatake imbes na yung ebidensya. Kumbaga tinitibag siya pero kulang, parang ganun yung dating eh. So yun lang naman para sa akin. Other than that, medyo yung mga visual aids parang PowerPoint presentation, medyo patwitams lang talaga yung dating.